y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Live. So y'all, I am in Lowe's. We gotta pick up, we're looking for like a shelving unit like the ones I have. I need some more space. Well, some more shelves, okay? So that's what we up in here looking for. I think we're gonna have to go to another store in this vlog. So this is just gonna be like a little vlog for us to pick up what we need to pick up. And I still need to get a trash can. Well, we see these right here, y'all, but these is not the ones we look for. They similar, but there's some over there. Yeah, it looks like the ones you put, like what? Yeah, oh, yeah, they not like the ones. Okay. Well, guess that will do. This one is $129. 6 tier. Oh. Yeah, the 5 tier is more, have more space in between. So I will get a 5 tier because it's got. You see how they trying to get that 6 one on, so it's like it's not a lot of space. All right, y'all, so we are getting this one right here because all we got to do is we can space out how much we need for what we need it for, and then we'll always have an extra one, whereas the 5 tier you miss out on the but to me it seems like the 5 tier is wider. Is it just me? But it say it's the same. It's a 5 tier, 6 tier. It's a 72 inches, 47, 18 inch. It say, but it just, to me, it seems like maybe because it's shorter. I don't know. It just seems like the 5 tier is wider than what they're saying the 6 tier is. It's just, yeah, maybe it's me. Even the one right here. See, this a 5 tier for. Is it plastic or something? Because it's $119. It's like, that's just, I'm confused. I'm really confused. So y'all, we went with the white one. It's $119 and it's a little wider and it's a 5 tier. So yeah, cause you said the other one we getting from the other place, from Home Depot, right? I thought you said one was gonna come from Lowe's and one was gonna come from Home Depot.
I'm talking about the plastic. You want the plastic from Home Depot?
The other one was plastic? I didn't know.
The plastic, the cover.
The cover? We ain't on the same page. The cover.
You wanted the plastic.
Oh yeah, but
you said you wanted Home Depot.
Yeah, but I thought you said that the one that was half was at one place and the one that was the wider was at another place. I thought you.
No, the half one was supposed to be here too. I just don't see it.
Well, do we just do another one of these?
Because it was going to be just shorter than.
And what I say these was $119. Yeah, right here for the torso. Let's see.
You didn't want the. I don't think the black Willie one was in it.
That might have been the Home Depot one. Might have been. Let's see. Y'all better chill out over there. No, yes, you ain't, because one person said you about to choke me, and then the boy whispered and said, Mom's filming, and then Kylie was headed that way. You talking about something, we ain't doing nothing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay, so we pulled it out. Wait a minute, that one been open. Yeah. Oh, boy. I don't like no open stuff today. So stuff be bent up and all that, and then they don't want to. You know, we was gonna get 2 of the white ones. Yes, y'all, I'm sitting down. doing this.
Okay, so this one been open.
Yup, been open. So people done bought some back. I don't see no more. So they had some of the white ones up top. So I'm so glad we was able to get somebody over here to see, because they had like two prices. One wasn't not changed, but 6 tier. But I would like the white ones, so I got the white ones. Okay, y'all, so he's about to go up. I did ask for permission, because I like to give people permission. He said that was fine of me filming him as he go up to get the 2 boxes. So we have to stand back. Y'all know how it is at Lowe's and Home Depot when they gotta use it. Oh wow. Yeah, I knew that one. The 5 tier 2 of the white ones.
Everything been taped up. Like every one of them got something wrong.
Oh wow.
I'll let y'all look at these.
Okay.
Every one of them got something. They've been taping them up like this. Like it. I've been with them.
Okay. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna see which ones we get. So we got one.
They don't look like they've been look like they, well, see how it looks on the bottom?
Yeah.
It look like they've been rough, dragging.
Uh-huh. You wanna get the...
I got 2 more.
Okay. Nah. We're gonna get one of these. That one right there. That'll be
Look
fine.
like it's been open. Ain't no.
No.
They
Yeah.
need one. Well, that's just got to tell you.
We'll go with this one.
Yeah. Thank you. We appreciate it.
I'm gonna put that in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave this one on there for you.
Okay.
I can get 4 in there.
Okay.
Then the only other question we have is the, what is it, 27?
Yeah, I'll show 'em if you
I'm
want to
just
put
out of them. Well, I mean, not
you
out
have
of
some, we're looking for tops.
the lids.
Yeah, I'm about to go get you some lids. I
Okay.
think I know what's some at.
Okay.
I keep running out of those lids. I don't know why.
Okay, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all this. These don't have the handles, and that's a good thing, because the ones that have the handles be leaked. Okay. And we'll have to put the top around it. That's what I have for the other one. I have the top around it or not. But this one, you put it on here. It ain't made as strong. I would say as the other one. And I'm trying to keep them on the Home Depot because they may not have the same. Okay, so I guess this will work. I'm still. They just ain't. They ain't making stuff like they used to. But I guess we'll roll with this because that's gonna be about all I'm making. And this is shorter than the big one that I have for the chicken steaks because yeah.
With their set of things and
Because you sat there, you laughed at the top. But he laughing. He laughed at the top. Kylie thought it was so funny. Y'all probably had to feel the camera shaking. So she was over there just laughing at this. You know, let me tell you something.
This is 34.97. Look the same thing.
Well, how is they lids? Oh no.
It's the same.
Well, you know what? They probably doing it because those other ones leaks. That was the problem I had.
That's this top.
Well, this is. We're gonna just get that one, y'all. We just gonna get that one. So y'all, I'm still gonna get a tarp to put over there. I'll probably get it from Harbor Freight because it's a little cheaper. Because if we have like hail or something, especially with the way this weather has been, if we have hail or something, I already know it's gonna put dents in it, and then I may, you know, have an issue where it put holes in this, because that's feed. That's feed that will go to waste. Okay, so I'm still gonna put tarp on it and my bricks on it like I do for my chickens.
The fixin', yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, guess that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't, I know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw.
Okay, honey buns, I need to get some plastic. I love to keep plastic around and whatnot, so I'm just gonna get a thing of this because I use it in the garden. I use it different ways. So this 3 mil, I normally go for 6 mil, but that's like for if it's cold or something, I'm covering crops or something like that. But I think I'm just gonna go with get a thing of the 3 mil. Okay. The 3 mil. Alright. So we do got tote bins. I need to get some of those just to organize some stuff. We got the 2 shelves. We got the plastic, the trash can with the not made out of good stuff and material like lid, but it is what it get. Okay, I mean, it is what it is. That lid will be okay because I know what to do. Okay, y'all, just look at these 3 over there. Tatiana always, cause she's like, yeah. Now you were saying what, sir? But what you were saying though, they were trying to get you for some yards.
Well, you paying for the name. Gorilla, 10 yards, $6.98. You can get some Duck Pro, 55 yards for $8.98. So you're getting 5 times more tape for $2 more.
Yep. Everybody trying to get their coin, y'all.
Gotta buy it.
Huh, you said what?
They ain't trying, they get it.
They
you
get
gotta
it.
buy the stuff if you need it. So I mean, it is
Yeah.
what it is.
Yeah, that's the way it be. Alright, honey buns, that's the end of this store vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I hope y'all was motivated, inspired with something that went on in it. I don't know what it was. Gave you an idea of something to pick up and buy from y'all Lowe's or wherever you may be able to get it from. You know, different stores carry the same thing sometimes. So with that being said, I'm going to end it. I want y'all to be safe. Be vigilant. It's a lot of stuff going on out there, okay? And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. I love y'all. Bye.